Yeah. Is that you? Is that Era? Era's so cute. Say hi, everyone. Hi. Wow. Oh, see? Say.
Here
Say.
we go.
Hi. Now, hi, mommy.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What happened?
5, 6, 7, 8.
What happened your tongue?
7, 8. 8. Here we go.
Era eating lollipop. Yummy lollipop, Era. No. Don't disturb Era. Say hi. And also Myrtle. Hi. Hi. Na hi. Oh, mga cute kaya akong mga alaga. Di ba? Oh, mga cute kaya akong alaga, no? Oh. Say hi. Na hi, vlog. Louder. Hello. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Hi, daddy. But mommy and daddy, we're not around here because working, mommy and daddy. Ay? Na hi. Kiss the camera. You're so pretty, Era. And Ate Myrtle also. Say bye na. Bye. No? You don't say bye? Okay.
Enter Alex.
Bacon donated $100.
Say hi, Era.
Bacon donated $100.
Era.
I hate it.
What is your eating?
Bacon donated $100.
Lollipop?
I hate it.
Okay.
Enter Alex Shore.
Bye. Dan. O, di ba? Ingon na dyan na sila kalingaw din niya. Kitaan ni. Gawa sa datong in English, oy. English nga wala dito diri ba? Okay, maka-nosebleed man yung mga bataan. Kaya di ka sabot og Bisaya. So, mag-English good ni diri. Pero mga cute ba kaya di sila mudag English bitaw.
Bro, can I be with?
Oh. You want to talk the camera? Okay. Just look at it. What is your name? Myrtle. How about you? What is your name? What? Can you louder? What did you say? Myrtle?
I say Ira because she's my Ira.
Yeah. Is that your baby sister? What? This? That? Not sure it. Yummy. Oh, hindi mo na ganun sila mga kanags kay. Ako may nagbantay sa nila karon. Mo nang naarami diri sa kwarto.
Every night at dinner.
Bara to mga kamegs kay busy pa sa ako nila og bantay. Oh, ang kamagwangan nila lihok kayo yung kamagwangan. Okay, what are you doing? Huh? Why? Are you shy? What? That's not picture. That's a video. Not picture. Yeah. Say bye na.
No.
Bye.
No.
No? Wow. Say bye.